Right, guys. So, good morning. Anyway, so look, we're going to be going on to the online teaching, and I'm going to put this out for all of my classes. So even though it says first year maths here, I'm going to give this to all the classes that I have. So, guys, we're going to be doing live classes, and I'm just going to briefly run through how we're going to set it up. So, first thing you'll need to do is you read that message that I put in here. Basically, just a couple of things about it, but we're going to be using Google Meet, so you'll either need to use a tablet, a laptop, or not ideally, but if you're absolutely stuck, then you can use your phone. So if you're using a device, a laptop or a tablet, you're going to have to download the Google Meet app. So you go into your store, whatever it is, the Apple Store, or the Play Store for Android, and download Google Meet. Okay, that's what it will look like there. That little icon down the bottom. So how will this actually work? So the easy way to show you this now is through the camera here. On my side of things, what you'll see is this first year maths with me, and what I'll do is for every one of the classes you'll see this thing that's generated here. It's Meet link. So basically I click this button and I start broadcasting live on a video. Okay, so I click that there and it says get ready to join, camera's getting started, join now. Okay, and then that link is already posted into our Google Classroom and can only be used within CBS Secondary School Kilkenny. Okay, so it can only be us that use it. So click that, you join it, and there, look, happy days. That's the screen you'd see me chatting away there, doing whatever I'm doing, right? So what I'll do is, from my end, what I'll be doing is I'll be presenting, and I'll be basically sharing my screen, and I'll have stuff put up for you. And this is the easiest way to show you all of this. If it will just work for me. Okay, so I'll basically put up these slides and points, and you'll be able to see me right on the screen, right? And I'll do up sums and we'll do what we have to do and all that here. Okay, so that's what it'll look like on my end. On your end, what you'll do is this. You go to Google Classroom. Now, on the top right hand corner, if you've downloaded Meet, or else if you're using the tablet, if you're using like a tablet or a computer, you do it the exact same way I did it. But if you're on a link here, top right hand corner is the settings. The button beside that is the Meet link. And then you'll be able to join that, so you click join. Now I'm just going to join it very briefly, lads, because as soon as I join, the audio is going to cut, but it's going to show you what it's like. So you okay, so you saw there when you joined, you could see my screen and you could see me writing, and you'll be able to hear me as well. It's just because I'm doing this between two devices. That's how it's going to play out. But that's exactly what we're going to do. So there's no need to schedule it. It'll just be following the school timetable. And when it's time for maths, so this is not just for my first years, this is for all my classes. When it's time for maths, you just go in, you find maths class with Mr. Power, and you click into it. So if it was fifth years, you'll click, bang, hit that button, and then I'll have that set up, and I'll be broadcasting live, and you're ready to go. Okay, it's as simple as I can make it, guys. Hopefully that works. If there's any problems, just write to me on Classroom. I'll be there pretty much all day, every day. So hopefully this will work out, lads. We'll let you know any more news come before Monday if I hear it about timetable and all that. But it seems like every single class we have maths or Taurus, whatever it is, every time you're supposed to have me, lads, on a timetable normally, I'll be doing this a live Google Meet. Okay, that's where we're going to do it. So any problems there, boys, just let me know in advance. Sound.